The Nevada Department of Transportation is continuing construction of the Spaghetti Bowl Express improvements by widening the I-580 southbound lanes. This video will help you travel through the southbound I-580 work zone from 2nd Street to Villanova and will illustrate how to navigate the new permanent and temporary on and off ramps in this area. Approaching 2nd Street on I-580, you'll notice that the southbound lanes are now shifted to the northbound side to make room for the construction zone. Speed limits will be reduced throughout the work zone. The southbound off-ramp for 2nd Street and Mill Street have been combined and repositioned just south of the 2nd Street Bridge. Drivers that wish to exit onto 2nd or Mill Street will take this temporary ramp and then make a right for 2nd Street or continue straight for Mill Street. 2nd Street traffic will loop around. Drivers will stay right to turn onto eastbound 2nd towards Walmart and use the left lanes for westbound 2nd towards Keatsey Lane. The Mill Street ramp will curve to the left, allowing right turn onto Mill Street westbound towards Reno Medical Center and a left turn onto Mill Street eastbound towards Grand Sierra Resort. There will also be a new temporary ramp for I-580 southbound access from 2nd Street. Drivers will travel south to Mill Street and then continue across Mill Street and then onto the I-580 southbound lanes. And with speed limits reduced for safety in the work zone, please give yourself extra time to travel through this corridor. You can find more information about upcoming interstate improvements at n.spaghettibowl.com. or call the project hotline at 775-636-4202 or text XBX to 797979 for project updates via text.